everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing something very easy and quick. We're going to cook up some ackee and mushroom with wild rice. I've been soaking my wild rice overnight, so just to get them a little more easier to cook. I'm also going to put with it though some black beans. Stick around guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this video. Okay, so you can see that our beans have been cooking. What I'm going to do now is to add some salt or coconut milk, freshly blend coconut milk. We're going to go in with some green seasoning blend, our pimento berries, our Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, garlic, also our scallion, we want to bring back this up to a little boil just to bring the seasonings together. What we're going to do over here now is to add our ackee. We're going to go in with some salt and our ackee. What I do when I get ackee and I get a lot, I just freeze them up to just preserve them, and like when I'm ready to use it, then I cook it up, right? So we're going to cook the ackees for about 15 minutes or so. Now that our flavors has been released, we're going to add the rice, and remember it's wild rice. We're doing 2 cups. Man, flavor is there, so we're going to cover it and leave it to cook up. Let's prepare our mushroom. And please remember to wash your mushroom in salt water or vinegar. Now that our ackee has cooked and we have prepped all our vegetables, let's move over to the pot and look at the rice as well, right? Because we're going to cook up the ackee. We're frying up some plantain as well. Let me show you the rice now. You can see how nice and fluffy it looks, right? Still want to come down a little bit more, because you know I like to fluff the top of it. Alright, so in some olive oil, we're going to go in with our garlic and thyme. And you know, as soon as you start to smell the aromatics, you can go in with your mushroom. We're going to add some seasons to this as well. Some all-purpose seasoning, some salt, black pepper, adding our scallion and onions, some of the Scotch bonnet pepper, and listen, you can fry up your ackee any way you like it, right? Any way you like it, you can fry it up. So if you want to put carrot, tomatoes, it's just a personal preference of yours, right? I'm going to go in with some water now, just a little bit. Because like how we cook up the ackee already, you don't want to add the ackee and spin them around too much, because you know me not like it too mushy. But if you don't mind, then you can add it same time. Also going to go in with like a teaspoon of green seasoning blend, or half teaspoon. We still want to be able to identify each vegetable, right? We're going to go in with our ackee now. Just give it a little toss, which is why I use this fork, because I don't want them to mash out. And just go in with a little bit more black pepper. Alright, lovely people, let's take a look at everything out to see how it's going. And I'm telling you, looking so nice and divine. Yes, man. Woo. And look at the rice. A little pointer, guys. Wild rice take a little while to cook, for those of you who don't know. So it will take a little while, maybe like 45 minutes or so. But I tell you, everything looking so nice and lovely. Let's share out some now and, you know, eat our food. And there you have it, guys, our nice rice and peas cooked with wild rice with our vegetables on the side on our cook up ackee. Thank you so much for making it Jamrock vegan, guys. Until next time, bye.